Hi there, it's your sewing Sherpa Shauna and our trusty little Watson here. We are staying cool inside of our sewing sanctuary today. Thank goodness for air conditioning. Yeah, it's a little bit expensive this month, but it's keeping things cool. So this week I have a couple of really fun short workshops coming up. We have the meditation mat and cushion. So this meditation mat and cushion are also a mini office, right? Because if you're like working from home and you need to have that perfect posture for your little laptop stand, this is your combination. The mat keeps your knees comfortable and the cushion keeps your posture, your back straight. This is also a great little hand sewing station. This is also a really great unpicking station, like portable unpicking station, and you can, take it outside, set it up, although who wants to go outside, right? But just saying you wanted to. Zabutan is going to be on Saturday, and the inner cushion and the tufting string and the tufting needle are all included in the class cost. You just bring the fabric for the exterior, and that's pretty much it, and thread and your sewing machine, although you can use my sewing machine and I have tons of thread. The zafu, I believe, is on Sunday, and that's the cushion. This one has got a removable exterior that the intentions are so it can be washed separately. So let's just say it gets gross after a while. You can take the inside out and then handle the slipcover. So the fabric for the slipcover and the 18-inch zipper are provided by you, but the organic buckwheat hull and the organic waterproof cotton exterior are provided by me. So you just have, some small pieces of fabric that you need to come up with, and they can be, your special fabrics because they don't, this is a special station. I had a lot of fun making these, and this is going to be tufted, and it has boxed corners, and we have the tie that's going to be integrated tie so you can roll it up and wrap it. Really great. I highly recommend that if you're into meditation that you come with some written intentions, maybe some crystals or some Ayurvedic herbs to include with the buckwheat hull before we seal it, so that when you sit down on your zafu or your meditation cushion, it will kind of aid you in getting into the right zone, right? And I was thinking it would be really great to have something fancy ready for the top of your zafu, but honestly, you can take this off and put your embroidery hoop on or whatever you want later when you're ready and do some fun work on it. So the other part of this yoga trio was the yoga bag, and we did this on Saturday, and it was so much fun, and everybody's turned out really, really well. Has a little, pocket here. I did learn that some of the newer yoga bags, mats are more thick and cushy, so you might want to have, a little bit bigger bag. But because you're the designer, you don't have to go search for it through all the bags and make sure the dimensions are correct. You just make it bigger, right? So I have decided to add this class back into the offerings, but it'll be another mini class, like another 3 or 4 hour class. 3 hours should be fine for this, and these affordable classes will keep you sewing, keep you in touch with new techniques, and you can end up with something that you're going to cherish for a really, really long time. So I look forward to seeing you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Check back in frequently. We got a lot of fun stuff coming up, and keep on sewing.